Hi guys, welcome back to another video from BioBuddy. So in this video guys, this video will be about a general introduction about the excretory system in human beings and how is the excretion process happening in case of human beings. It's just an introduction, how is excretion happening. So guys, what is happening in this is that first of all we need to know that in human beings which processes are involved for this excretion, right? So first of all, a general introduction about the human excretory system, that how in the human excretory system is this process taking place. So what is this guys? This is the human excretory system, which includes two kidneys, which is one pair of kidneys. These are two ureters. This is one urethra, and this is one urinary bladder. This is one urinary bladder, and this is one urethra. So guys, what is happening in this? This is a normal process of how is the excretion taking place in the kidneys. In our kidneys, small structures called as the nephrons are present, and these nephrons are helping in the process of excretion by filtering the blood and the excreting out all the waste material from our body, all the toxic waste material from our body. So what is happening in this? Inside this, there are tiny tube-like structures called as the nephrons are present. The nephrons filter all the urine which has to be eliminated with all the toxicity. This toxicity then reaches through the kidneys to these ureters, and through these ureters it reaches the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder plays a very important role by temporarily storing the urine inside it. The temporary storage of urine is stored until and unless your body is ready for it to eliminate out, and your brain functions or tells you to eliminate out the urine. There is small palpitations which are happening. There are small pulsations which start happening inside your urinary bladder, and as soon as you feel that there is an urge to take out, to eliminate all the toxic waste material from your body, what happens? This urethra opens. Now this urethra is also guided by two sphincters. Sphincter muscles are present here, one internal and one external. Two sphincter muscles are present at the opening of the urethra, and they only help in the process of opening and closing of the urethra at the time of excluding the urine out of the body. So this is how the excretory system is possible in case of human beings. In general, there are three types of nitrogenous wastes which are being eliminated out. First is ammonia, second is urea, and third is uric acid. So the organisms which eliminate out ammonia, they are called as ammonotelic, which eliminate out urea are called as ureotelic, and which eliminate out uric acid are called as uricotelic. They are called as uricotelic. So what is happening in this? These three organisms, there are different organisms which are responsible. For example, ammonia is secreted by all the fishes, the aquatic animals, which require, as ammonia requires maximum amount of water to be eliminated. So what is there? Ammonotelic organisms, those organisms which are 24/7 in water. For example, fishes. Ureotelic, uricotelic are the waste, that is uric acid is the waste, and they are present in case of birds, which is semi-solid. And ureotelic, we are ureotelic, in which our body urea is eliminated out. First of all, in the liver, in the hepatocyte cells of your liver, what is happening? This urea is being, this is being produced. How? By the waste material, by the waste product of your body. This is being produced in the liver with the help of hepatocyte cells. In the next video, we will be properly explaining how are the filtering units which are present inside the kidneys helping in the process of elimination of the waste product. So stay tuned for the next video. This was just the introductory of how is the excretory system taking place and what kind of 3 nitrogenous wastes are there in the human non-humans and the whole organisms we are present on the earth. How are they eliminating their waste substances? So for further videos, guys, please keep on watching and do like the videos, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you're having any doubts, guys. So thank you. In the next video we'll be studying about the nephrons. Thank you.